Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Following that, download this free app from Flartu developer. DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!